In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a file on Outlook. Whether you're sending an important document for work or just sharing some photos with friends, attaching a file to an email on Outlook is a straightforward task. Let's dive in and make sure you know exactly how to do it. To start off, you need to log into your Outlook account. This is where your entire email adventure begins. Open your browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook login page. Once you're there, click on the Sign In button. Enter your email and password to access your account. Keep in mind that if you're having trouble signing in, make sure your caps lock is off and you're connected to the internet. Now that you're logged into your Outlook account, you'll want to navigate to the Mail section. In the upper corner you might find the Mail icon. Click on it and that will take you to your inbox. This is where you can see all your received emails and start composing new ones. It's your email hub, and from here you can manage all your communication needs. Next, it's time to create a new email. Look for the New Message button, often found at the top of your inbox or in a navigation pane. Clicking this will open a blank email form. You'll notice fields for the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and the body text where you can type your message. But where you really want to focus now is on the toolbar at the top of this composition window. You'll see a variety of options there, but go ahead and select Insert. This tab is specifically designed to let you add various elements to your email, including files, links, tables, and more. Once you've clicked on Insert, look for the Attach File option. This is the moment where all your neatly organized files come into play. Now for the exciting part, finding and selecting the file you want to attach. Click on Browse this computer. This will open up a File Explorer window on your computer where you can sift through your directories. Locate the file that you wish to attach. Once you've selected it, hit Open. The file will then start to attach to your email. And that's it, you've successfully attached a file to your email. Don't forget to fill out the recipient's email address and a subject line before you hit send. Go ahead and send off your email when you're ready. By following these steps, you should now feel confident in attaching files within Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful and can make sharing documents, photos, or any other files with your contacts a breeze. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try attaching different types of files to get comfortable with this process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.